What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take all of this shit off and try to see exactly how bad the damage is. So I've got to take off all the lines, the water lines, the oil lines, take this off, get the downpipe off, get it off the manifold, and then we can actually inspect the turbo to see if there's anything. Well, I know there's, you can hear it rattle against the case. See, it's pretty bad, but then we can see exactly how bad it is and if it's actually possible to rebuild the turbo or not. Because if it's completely if the blades and everything are done for, I don't know if it's even worth it to fix it. So I think what we can do today is take off the turbo and decide what to do further, because like I said, I've got a choice: new turbo, fix this turbo, and yeah, that's the choices. That's about it. And getting this Okie off is gonna be shit, because everything is so tightly fitted. It's just everything fits perfectly, which means it doesn't come off easily. There's a bolt underneath the downpipe here, doesn't move, you can't get it loose. There's a bolt down there, don't know how I'm gonna get that loose either. Okay, so I've loosened all these bolts except for the one, and I can't get to the bolts at the bottom of the turbo because I need a longer Allen key. So just now I'm gonna have to go and buy me a longer Allen key just to get that off. Can't take this one off yet because you need a bit of play in the turbo to get this off here. So this is difficult. Okay, I need some tools. I can't really carry on, so I need a seriously long 6mm Allen key so I can get the last downpipe thing loose. I need a very big 8mm to get the turbo loose, and I need a 25 span or something, because this thing just keeps turning both. So I need something to go over there, and I don't have such a big one. I've got 19, but I don't have that size, so I can't get it off. Okay, so update: you can't get a spanner over there. Even if you've got the right size, there's just not enough space. But I got all the tools I need now. I got huge Allen keys and all sorts of cool new stuff. So we're gonna start progressing now.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the
Okay, so it's 1,000,000,000 degrees, and we just got the turbo off. See, nothing there. This is the oil pipe. We just blocked it off so it doesn't go everywhere. The two coolant hoses, and the other oil pipe is somewhere here, just so we don't mess shit everywhere. So the turbo is officially off. It's there. So the next step is to see how bad the damage is on that thing.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
If you look at the housing there, it's physically scratched the housing all the way around. I don't know if these marks are from the actual turbo, but those scratches there, you can definitely feel. So that's not good. If you look at the actual blade, doesn't look too bad, but it does have a riff all the way around, so you can feel this way, exactly where it catched. Oh, and all the big blades you can feel, the small ones not really. But that's not right. I think I found my problem. It wasn't pushing through the turbine in the front, it was pushing through the back. If you look here, there's a lot of oil on the turbine itself, and really a lot of oil inside the exhaust housing. So this is like all greased up. Yeah, so this is full of oil. If you look at that, and if you look at this whole thing at the back is also filthy with the oil. So we definitely know what happened here. Well, number one, bent the shaft. Number two, if you're looking there, shit ton of oil, so I blew the seals out on the back of the turbo. So I think what I'm going to do is I am going to service that turbo. It is salvageable. I don't think it will be too expensive to just fix the seals and get the shaft straightened or get a new shaft or whatever. But I still think I'm going to get a new turbo. So stay tuned. There's a bigger turbo coming, maybe, possibly. I'll take you guys in the next one. Cheers, eh?